We're getting everything secured. It's gonna be 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts for a little while. These two over here ordered ice cream.
There are some very big places that heat comes in the RV on a hot sunny day. These are the cemeteries.
Oh, look at that.
Turn right on the French Quarter on the access road.
There's a pool there.
There's a pool?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a pool! I didn't think there was going to be a pool. I'm so excited. How do we get in and out on the bikes through that little door gate?
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, we must get a code. We're here in New Orleans at the RV park, which is so adorable. Look at all this little paved cuteness. We're getting hooked up. We're here for a whole week, guys. We get to really settle in. We have no plans to move the RV. He was just saying it doesn't feel as hot here, and it may just be that it's a little less humid, like away from all that water. Although, there's a lot of water here too. Cool. Oh good, that's set low. We've been looking into a new thermostat. This thing gets a little fiddly. You can like push this and it gets to where it's not doing its thing anymore. And I think Casey's mentioned a whole new air conditioning thing is probably not far down the line for us. This thing's really old. Anyway, just gonna do some major cleaning today, but it's Father's Day and it's already 4 o'clock, so we need to decide how we're gonna cook some steaks. Should have asked if we can use the solo stove. It's probably in the rules. The check-in lady was very verbose, had a lot to tell us. But there's a pool and a hot tub. It feels hot to me.
On my back, so it's actually do the controller. When I push it, I have to get the controller.
Steak dinner.
I Happy Father's Day to yourself.
That's how Father's Day works, Mom.
Yeah.
Fathers make their own dinner, hang out with the kids all day.
Yeah.
It's not how Mother's Day goes.
That's what being a father is all
That's what
about.
it's all about.
Yep, that's what dads do.
You've been schlepping this around in the rig the whole time? It says Happy Father's Day, Dana. Wait, is this the one he made today?
Yeah.
Jenny made me a card. It's got a kite on it. You were really into kites today. Is that a kite?
No, it's a dog
It's
saying.
a dog flying a kite? Oh, it's his D for Dana. Is that right?
B for bark, I think.
B for bark? Hey, I'm learning.
I don't know.
Happy Father's Day. Father's
It's D for
Day.
dog.
And then it says dad.
Dada. Dad, dad, dad.
It's dad, dad.
Dad, dad. Happy Father's Day. Dad, dad. Thanks, Henry.
Welcome.
Bubble wand. Bubble maker. A bubble maker? Ooh. Oh, even better. It's a set of calipers. Is this your way of telling me that the bed that I built is perhaps 1/8 of an inch out of level?
No, you said you wanted one of those.
No,
so
I do
got
really
it.
badly. A set of calipers.
And it fit in the RV. It wasn't
Heck
like
yeah.
a big present.
Yeah, this is great. I'm gonna use the shit out of those.
I hope it works well.
The RV work will be so much more precise now. I'll know exactly how wrong it is. It's funny. It's funny. It's a dad joke. Also part of the job. Part of your job is to laugh. How's the asparagus?
Everything's really good.
Okay, good.
So it's Father's Day and we grilled, or Casey grilled, but I wanted to make some kind of dessert, but we can't turn the oven on because it's way too hot. So I'm gonna try to grill on the griddle chocolate chip cookies. I think it's gonna work. Okay, they're looking really good. I'm gonna flip them. Oh yeah. I'm trying not to flip the second batch. What's the verdict?
They're great.
Is it a cookie?
Tastes like a macaroon.
Okay, like crispy on the outside. All right. And oat milk, it's like a thing? It's good?
It's good.
Okay, I'm really excited. We're getting ready to go to, I don't know, a few blocks away.
Battery full?
Do we think this battery is charged? We don't know. We don't know.
We're at Stanley in Jackson Square, I think.
Yes.
I got a regular Benedict breakfast, and then these two over here ordered ice cream. Is that French toast with ice cream on it? You guys already had breakfast?
You did. It's like the kind of thing you'd eat on your birthday, you know? It's like,
Happy birthday, Mom. Well, I'm gonna have to wait outside. Dad gets a little claustrophobic.
you can wait outside. Shall I take this?
Mom,
Yeah, I'm here.
be right back.
Okay. Don't knock anything over. There's a stool here. You'll have to squeeze by it or climb over it. I guess you just took a call at this little Irish cafe, which was the only place we could bring Henry in on Bourbon Street, basically. And it's 2 o'clock. We're finally all hungry enough for lunch, so we're going to Killer Po' Boys, which has options for everybody, so I'm excited.
They even had a peanut butter and jelly po' boy. Like it's like a full piece on the bottom and then 2 pieces on the top, so it's gonna open that stuff. And you got a cauliflower.
So excited.
Got all the options. We're pretty much going from food to food, but the update is we spent pretty much the whole day in the French Quarter, which was awesome, and I'm sure we'll be back. I even worked from a little courtyard at the Irish coffee house. Paige probably told you that. We had po' boys, and then we just kind of wandered around and walked a few blocks and went shopping. And now we're back at the RV. We had a pool day. We just chilled. And now we're making tacos with leftovers. From one food plan to another food plan.
Henry and I are loading up the bike finally. We're gonna head to the public library. The main branch is near us and they're having a story time this morning, so we're gonna go check that out. I'm a little bit nervous. I haven't ridden my bike here yet and I haven't gone out without Casey yet, and it's just a lot of really intense interactions every once in a while, so hopefully everything goes fine and hopefully my bike is okay. But this is only a 5-minute ride, so we should be all good. The library was very easy to get to. However, it is closed due to a facilities issue today. Womp womp. So we're actually gonna ride a little further. We just did some damage at the thrift store. We were in the cutest little thrift store. It's called Yepp Thrift Store. Now we have to pack up the bike. Yeah, okay. I'm a little worried about this thing. It's got some long stringy strings.
Okay, I know how we're gonna deal with this, Mom.
I think we should put it in the bag.
I'll take the bungee.
And here we're gonna bungee these boots and
I'm doing this part.
thing on here. We're bungeed down. We're ready to roll. Ready to roll, Henry?
Yep, let's head back to the RV bar.
All right.
But what?
Yeah, all the stuff is happening. I hung up this shelf. I don't know if it's quite right. I mean, it's cool. I don't know.
You set stuff up when we're parked, it's just more shit that has to be put away on drive days. But if you put a separate basket hanging below it, you can just scoop all the shit off the shelf in the basket. That's a distance.
You know, they had a little
and then
pocket
just
one.
Throw it in there. Just pick it up and throw it in this.
But it was kind of dirty and not cute. And I just liked the shelf so much. I might hang the shelf at home. I had to research compost drop-off because this is too urban to just like throw our compost somewhere. There's this organization in New Orleans called Compost Now, and they have worked with a bunch of small like community farms to have different drop-off locations and days. So Tuesday drop-off is only about a 5-minute bike ride from where we are in the other direction that we went from earlier today, so we'll get to see some different stuff, which is nice. It's this tiny little farm that's kind of set up in like basically it looks like somebody's yard or something. But so I have our full bin in the freezer, and I might sneak our not frozen bins with us too and just try to bring it all. So that's the plan for the day. Hooray, hooray, hooray!
Big compost brick.
My compost is full.
Community garden, Henry. What do you think? Mom's leaving our compost.
it's possible that a lot of today had no audio, which would stink, but whatever. We're gonna go spend the evening in the pool. Today was a great day. What did we do today, Henry? Oh, we saw a parade. That was probably the most exciting thing that happened. We saw a parade, just going down the street, doing their parade thing. I cried a little bit. It was just so New Orleans. It was like sailors playing instruments, and it was just such a. I was like, this is the New Orleans moment that we came for. And I was like, Casey came here. It was his first time in New Orleans this trip, and like his family's from here. It's like a big deal, and I was just like, oh my God, this is the moment that we came for. You know what I mean? The vibes. It was there, just for like 5 seconds, but that was a big deal. Okay, bye bye. We're going out for breakfast. We're going to the Ruby Slipper Cafe. I think that's what Casey just said. Look at my hair, guys.
It's really something.
It's all out today. Today I'm dressed like a magical princess pirate girl person.
You can't bring BB-8. Come on. It'll be alright.
It's quite loud here.
Well, we're just right by.
I feel the urge to yell.
We're by the interstate. That's the cheap seats. You ready?
That's the one who made him that. He forgot his sunglasses. He's the sweetest.
So in the 1920s, this was a cobbler shop, and it was owned by my great-grandfather Giuseppe, who I'm named after. My first name's actually Joseph. And this was it, Rampart and St. Philip Street. The rumor was that he met my great-grandmother, because she walked by here every day on her way to work, and he came out and chiseled a hole in the sidewalk so that she'd break a heel. And then she came into a shoe shop to get the heel repaired.
It's romantic.
It's romantic. It's also bullshit.
No, it's sweet.
That was cool. That was cool that you let us in. Right?
Yes, they let us walk around inside. They're working on a restaurant. He said the owner really would have liked to talk to Casey.
You think I should have given him my number?
Yeah.
To get to the owner?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe we do need to come back when it's open again.
When it's a restaurant. It's going to be open later this summer.
That would be really neat. This morning we went out to breakfast. I think I told you we were going to do that, and then I didn't show you any of it because everyone was starving, but it was delicious. Henry and I each got different kinds of French toast. Casey got some kind of grits with probably shrimp or something in it. So that was really good. We came back on foot and we're very hot, so we went to the pool to cool down. Casey went to go work in one of the buildings by the pool, and Henry and I got hungry, so we're having lunch now. Some smoothies and almond butter and jelly sandwiches. The smoothie's good. Did you have your smoothie?
Yeah, I haven't eaten.
It's got coconut cream and pineapple juice and frozen mango, papaya, and pineapple. It gets stuck. There's something not right about that. Some of these Hot Wheel things.
It would probably work a little more with
I think we're missing some parts. Ooh, squishy bed. So soft. So it is just really, really hot. Our air conditioner can't keep up. Our RV is really old, not very well insulated. There's a lot we could do to help that we haven't done because we just honestly haven't really had to deal with this before. But I am looking around going, okay, here are some things that could be improved insulation wise without, you know, gutting. So yeah, the air conditioner does not turn off until the late hours of the evening, and it's really hot. So what kind of lay low thing could we do outside? We can maybe walk to this little park that's got shade, but I just stepped outside into our shade and it's just so hot. Like, one good thing is that we invented a very cool thing that Henry's gonna show you. Okay.
But Mom, there's a problem with it first.
Oh, there's a problem already.
There's a hole in the roof.
A hole in the roof. I think I might throw up. Too many problems today, Henry. We made a fort out of our mattresses. We never took the bed down today. Yeah, there was always a hole in the roof.
Oh, that was Owen.
Yeah, and a very comfy floor, it looks like.
Yeah, I made it.
You made a comfy floor. It's so cool. This is a king-size bed platform. It's a lot of space to play on.
I've never seen an RV fort before. That's the first.
There are some very big places that heat comes in the RV on a hot sunny day. One of them is the skylight over the shower. So we've been keeping this door to the bathroom closed during the day. And then there's the dash. Welcome to Fort Not Hot.
Wait, stick your hand in here, and like the difference is instantaneous.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See?
I hope there's nothing important up there.
The Jackery is gonna melt.
Glasses are gonna melt. Everybody's got those really cool windshield covers that go on the outside and like insulate from the outside, which is really lovely and smart. We don't have that. But we do have blankets. And luckily curtains so that people can't see our blanket situation from the outside because we might get kicked out.
Yeah.
So we may be setting that up every morning because those are the blankets we sleep with.
Well, just when it's 100+ degrees outside.
Every morning for the next 3 days. Yeah, this needs a second like curtain too. The afternoon heat comes in here. That over as like an extra layer, and then I think we'll be in good shape for a bit. Oh my god! No, because the screen's being pushed out really far. You think it's okay? Oh, I feel like a drug dealer now.
Oh man, it's so dark in here.
Dark. It's back here too. Blanket.
Dude, if our AC like actually cools off to the point that it turns off, that would be incredible. It's run all day. It's never caught up.
It's never gonna turn
It's never
off.
caught up to our modest 78-degree setting in here. Cool, Henry, our whole RV's a fort.
It looks like some kind of stoner hut. Yeah.
We should put aluminum foil up in the windows.
Oh, that's not bad. We don't have any, but that's not a bad idea.
Where's the A7 go?
We're branching out food-wise. What is it?
It's a
Sushi?
It's a sushi roll that has crawfish in it, so you know it counts.
Okay, not branching out too far.
Not too far.
It's beautiful. Guys, Vietnamese food was super good. I just had some chocolate gelato, and now I think we're walking somewhere to get beignets. We got 3 coming our way. Beignets. Is that the last check on our food list?
I still haven't had oysters on the half shell. Well, I tried to get oysters on the half shell and they brought me charbroiled. Felt sacrilegious eating them. Shrimp and grits, which is not on the list, but I'm glad I got it. There's more. Oh, I got a po' boy.
There were 7 things.
I think there were 7 things.
Getting there, and it's only Wednesday.
Here comes some beignets. Sugar bomb. Just what you needed at 7:30. Dad's having coffee too. We're gonna have the jitters here in a minute.
I've been up all night.
It's practically a funnel cake.
Oh boy.
He did that today.
Henry, what is it?
George went to swim lessons. Still
get as big as he gets.
Maybe. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry.
There's your wall.
So comfortable. We did decide to leave New Orleans today.
Today's our last day.
Yeah, it's like closed.